This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook perfect pancakes on a Blackstone griddle. First, ensure your griddle is completely clean and ready. Preheat it to a medium-low setting, aiming for about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, gather all your ingredients: pancake mix, milk, eggs, and a small amount of oil for the griddle. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. A clean surface and prepared ingredients are key for success. Achieving the right batter consistency is crucial for fluffy pancakes. Start by combining your dry ingredients, then separately mix your wet ingredients. Gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops the gluten, resulting in tough pancakes. Let your batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the flour to fully hydrate and creates a lighter texture, ensuring a consistently delicious pancake experience for everyone. Consistent heat is essential for evenly cooked pancakes with a golden brown finish. Aim for a griddle temperature between 300 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents burning while ensuring thorough cooking. Apply a very thin layer of high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, or even a small pat of butter. Spread it evenly across your cooking surface with a paper towel. This creates a non-stick environment and helps achieve that beautiful, uniform color on your pancakes. Now for the fun part, cooking the pancakes. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving enough space between them for easy flipping. Wait patiently until you see bubbles forming across the entire surface and the edges begin to look dry. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Use a wide, thin spatula to gently flip each pancake just once. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the second side until golden brown and cooked through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.